Do you know why we celebrate Krishna Janmashtami? This is a story that every one of us must know before we celebrate the festival. Ages ago, there was an evil king Kamsa who was terrorizing Mathura. One day, he heard a prophecy that his sister Devaki's eighth child would end his life. In rage, he locked his sister Devaki and her husband Vasudeva in the prison. One by one, 6 of their children were taken away from them. The 7th mysteriously vanished before birth, and then came the night of the 8th. It was the 8th day of the dark fortnight, with the Rohini Nakshatra above Mathura. Rain hammered the city. In that prison cell, Devaki gave birth, and for a moment the room filled with a light no wall could contain. In her arms was not just a child, but God Vishnu himself, in yellow silk with a jewel on his chest, eyes like lotus petals, and skin the color of a rain-filled cloud. Devaki begged him to hide his divine form, and then miracles began. The chains fell from Vasudeva's wrist. The guard sank into deep sleep. The prison doors opened without a sound. Vasudeva knew what he had to do. By divine instruction, he was to take the child to Gokul and exchange him with the newborn of Yashoda and Nanda, so the prophecy could be fulfilled and the child kept safe from Kamsa. He lifted the baby and stepped into the storm. The Yamuna was raging, but the waters parted at his feet. Above him, the serpent Seshanaga rose, spreading his hoods to shield the child from the rain. Step by step, he crossed to Gokul. Yashoda, the wife of Nanda, was asleep after giving birth to a daughter. Vasudeva placed his son beside her and took her baby girl in his arms. Without a word, he returned through the storm, locked himself back in the cell and waited. At dawn, Kamsa seized the baby, but she slipped from his hand, shone with the divine light and said, "The one you fear is already safe." She was Yogamaya, the divine goddess. And in an instant, she vanished into the heavens. That is why every year we stay awake till midnight. We swing the cradle, light the lamps, and remember the night when chains broke, rivers bowed, and darkness surrendered to the light of Krishna. Share this with everyone celebrating Janmashtami this year, and follow Temple Girl on Instagram and YouTube for more stories of our festivals and traditions. Jai Shri Krishna.